Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a good one for you guys. Hopefully you guys ready. Today I am making this quick and easy garlic butter shrimp. It's so delicious and it's so quick to make. If you guys interested, you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Don't forget to like the video for me if you enjoy it, and also subscribe if you're new to the channel. Without further ado, let's jump right into the recipe. Alright guys, before I begin, I want to let you guys know the measurement will be found in the description box below. But these are the ingredients I'm using: lemon pepper, parsley, garlic, paprika, Old Bay seasoning, ground black pepper, Creole seasoning. I'm using half a lemon, unsalted butter, cornstarch, and as well as the shrimp. The shrimp I'm using are nice and clean and deveined, and they are large shrimp. All right, let's get cooking, y'all. Now, first thing we're going to be doing is season our shrimp. I am going to leave the tail in the shrimp just because I like it when I'm plating the shrimp. It looks really nice in the plate. I know some people don't really like the tail when they cook shrimp, but I'm going to mix all of my dry seasonings together, then give that a nice stir. Once you're done, we're going to add it to the shrimp and give that a nice mix. Now that we're done seasoning our shrimp, we're going to add our cornstarch right on top of the shrimp and then use our hand to mix it together. Now the cornstarch will add a nice crunch, a nice texture to these shrimp. Y'all just wait to see how this shrimp going to look after. Okay, just trust the process. That's a new way I found to make garlic shrimp, and I love the outcome of it. So just keep on watching, just stick with me, okay? Now, once we're done, we're going to move on to the next step. I have my skillet here on my stove, nice and hot. We're going to drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil. I know I didn't show you guys that, but olive oil will prevent the butter from burning. So I'm adding a drizzling, basically a little bit of olive oil on there. Then I am going to be adding my butter because I am going to kind of not really fry these. That's why I added the olive oil, just so my butter doesn't really burn. So yeah. Once that is nice and melted, we're going to add our shrimp to this. Make sure you don't overcook your shrimp. Okay, you're gonna hear this all the time, every time I'm cooking shrimp, because y'all, rubbery shrimp is not fun to eat. You keep on chewing and chewing and cannot swallow. Well, at least for me, I don't like it. So I am going to be cooking these 2 minutes per sides because I don't want to overcook them, okay? Now, y'all see I added the cornstarch. Wait till these bad boys are done and you'll see how crispy they look, y'all. This is a new method. Y'all have to try it. I'm putting you guys on some new stuff. Just trust the process. So now I am going to flip it over once my 2 minutes is up, y'all. Y'all see that? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I was talking about the whole time. Y'all wasn't trusting me, but there it is. Nice and crunchy and crispy. The aroma in your kitchen right now is to die for. Listen to that sizzle. That is music to my ears, my friend. Okay, so now that they're done, we're going to remove it, set it aside. Now I'm cooking about 30 to 35 shrimp. So I'm going to take these out and cook the other ones. And then once they're done, I'll show you guys what's next. Now these are done, we're going to remove them, set them aside. Now what we're going to be doing is add the butter. I'm using unsalted butter because I just like adding my own salt to things, but you can use salted butter if you want. I am going to be adding the garlic. Please don't use minced garlic. Try some real garlic cloves. Okay, chop them off yourself because this is a garlic shrimp. We need the actual garlic, minced fresh garlic breath. Okay, so make sure to use some fresh garlic. Now we're going to add that in. As you guys can see, I added my parsley. And then we're going to give that a nice mixture. Like I said, the aroma right now in your kitchen is to die for. We're going to squeeze some lemon juice in there. Once my garlic is nice and fragrant and it's turning to like a golden brown color, is the time to add the shrimp. Here you go. That beautiful golden brown crispy shrimp. Okay. Just give that a toss, just like that. Mix it, baste it with that garlic butter. Baste it with that garlic butter, y'all. How good does that look, y'all? Give me the thumbs up. Come on now. I deserve a thumbs up for this. It looks so good, and I promise you, it tastes as good as it looks. Okay? And for garnish, just sprinkle some fresh parsley on there, and that is the recipe. This is how you make some delicious, quick and easy garlic butter shrimp. Hope you guys enjoy the recipe. As usual, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't hesitate. Come on. Give it a thumbs up for me. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let me know you're new in the comment so I can give you a nice welcome. And I'll see you guys on the next recipe. Bye.